February 8, 2018 at 5:18 a.m. Foreign direct investment (FDI) in Egypt decreased by 15.7% during the first quarter of the current financial year, the Central Bank of Egypt (CBE) reported yesterday. According to a report issued by the CBE, the net FDI amounted to $1.578 billion during the first quarter of the current financial year, registering a decline of $294 million. The Egyptian financial year begins in early July and lasts until the end of June of the following year, according to the country's general budget law. Egypt's FDI stood at $1.872 billion during the first quarter of the last financial year. Read more. Tunisia sends muezzins to music school. The European Union (EU) countries are the biggest investors in Egypt, with investments amounting to $1.725 billion, while the Arab countries come second, with $478.8 million worth of investments. The rest of the country's investments amounted to $313.6 million during the first quarter of the current financial year, according to the CBE report. Egypt's FDI reached $7.9 billion during the financial year 2016-17, compared to $6.9 billion in the year before. Late last month, foreign investments in the CBE's treasury bills reached $19.8 billion, compared to none before the Egyptian pound flotation. On 3 November 2016, Egypt decided to liberalize the exchange rate for the Egyptian pound against foreign currencies, in a step to revive the struggling economy and to eliminate the black market.